Welcome back. The use of medicines along with a proper diet and exercise are important in maintaining good health. But do you know what to do with medicine that is expired or is no longer needed? Well, Wake County Human Services will host an event later this month called Operation Medicine Drop to promote the proper way to dispose of these medicines. Joining us to talk about the program is Sonia Reed, Program Manager with the county's Health Promotion Chronic Disease Prevention Section, and Connie Nance, Director of Pharmacy with Wake County Human Services. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
First, Sonia, what is Operation Medicine Drop?
Well, Eric, Operation Medicine Drop is a partnership of several different organizations and agencies. They include Safe Kids North Carolina, U.S. Drug Enforcement Agency, the Riverkeepers of North Carolina, as well as our local law enforcement agencies. They all come together to provide an opportunity for the public to bring their unused, unexpired, or expired medications to a place that they can deliver them in a safe venue, and that is either for medicines, OTCs, or prescription drugs.
The question many people would have is simple: why can't I just discard it in the toilet or put it in the trash can?
There are a couple of reasons why we don't want our citizens to just haphazardly dispose of medications. One is we want to protect our water sources, and the other is that we don't want these medications to be in the hands of young children that would contribute to accidental poisonings, or even for others where these substances might be abused.
Great. Connie, like many of us who take prescribed medicines for various ailments from time to time, once we stop taking the medicine, the leftover pills are just put back in a cabinet. Sometimes a lot of the medicine is past the expiration date because you no longer think about it. How should citizens prepare to dispose of the medicine?
The easiest thing for a person to do is to take the bottle of medicine, put some water in the bottle, let it sit for a little while and let the medicine dissolve, and then take that and pour it into some kitty litter, some coffee grounds, or possibly some dirt. Put that in a Ziploc bag, seal it up, and then throw it into the trash. That is the most convenient way, and they can do the same thing with their liquid medications, and they would just pour that into the kitty litter and throw it into the trash.
Sonia, tell us a little bit about Operation Medicine Drop, the event that is planned for Wake County.
So the event that's going to be planned for this month is going to be located at the Public Health Center at 10 Sunnybrook Road. Operation Medicine Drop, I mentioned earlier that it is a partnership with several different organizations. But specifically for this event, Wake County Human Services is going to partner with our Wake County Sheriff's Office as well as Safe Kids Wake County. And what we're going to do is we're going to be set up in the parking lot, and we're going to allow our residents to drive through and drop off those medications. And hopefully they will take advantage of this because there will be no cost incurred with this event, and it's open to the county at large.
And obviously this one-day event, some folks are probably worried that because of work obligations or they're out of town, they will not be able to take part in this, but there's good news. This goes beyond that one day. Where can citizens discard their unused or expired medications safely beyond that date?
There are many opportunities to dispose of the medication properly. In fact, the ideal way to dispose of medicine is to incinerate it. So, Wake County offers 2 sites that have a medication disposal box on site. And one is at the John H. Baker Center in downtown Raleigh, and the other one is at the Law Enforcement Training Center on Law Enforcement Drive off of Rock Quarry Road at the corner of Auburn-Knightdale Road. They also have a disposal box. And then there is now a new law that will allow pharmacies who decide to put a disposal box at their pharmacy site that they can start collecting these unused medications also.
And how can citizens find out more information about this unique program?
They can visit our WakeGov website at wagov.com, and because of our partnership, they can also visit ncsafekids.org. Either of those will provide more information for them so that they are ready for safe disposal.
Great. Connie Nance, Director of Pharmacy, and Sonia Reed, Program Manager with Wake County Human Services. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, too.
When we return, we'll talk about the newest open space acquisition that's going to be open to the public. Stay tuned.